Christian Standardinger's contract with Terra Firma expires on December 31, 2024. Terra Firma has reportedly offered him a new contract. But there is no official statement from either camp. Is it true that Christian Standardinger will leave the PBA after his contract with Terra Firma expires? Terra Firma is offering Christian Standardinger a new contract. Will he accept, or play somewhere else? And newcomers, Terra Firma's Stanley Pringle will become a free agent after his contract expires on March 31, 2025. Stanley Pringle is already a free agent after his contract expires. Will he rejoin Ginebra or play for a new team? Or can his age still land him a spot overseas? This we will find out come as players will be eligible to file for unrestricted free agent. New Terra Firma coach promises they will not trade their first-round pick in the next draft. Meanwhile, Troy Rosario is in constant touch with Ginebra's Scotty Thompson. Rosario no doubt looked every inch the solution to Ginebra's problems. And it seems, Ginebra's most popular player is lending a hand. Nag-uusap sina Scotty at Troy. Magkaibigan silang dalawa, kasi alam naman natin na busy si Boss Alchua sa iba pa niyang mga commitment sa SMC. So si Scotty ang nag-initiate ng talks kay Troy para mapunta ito sa Ginebra. Wala naman masama sa ginagawa ni Thompson dahil unrestricted free agent si Rosario. And asked if Thompson's negotiations with Rosario was in an official capacity. And has the blessings of Chua and other bosses of SMC camp and Ginebra. May weight naman si Scotty sa Ginebra kasi star player siya dun. Saka close din naman siya sa management. And wala namang masama sa ginagawa niya at hindi ma-jeopardize ang team. Currently, Rosario has reportedly a standing offer of $1.2 million monthly, including bonuses and other perks, from the Converge Fiber X years. While his former team Blackwater Bossing has dangled a $950,000 monthly pay for 5 years. Rosario has already turned down a $750,000 per month 5-year offer from TNT just last Tuesday, and expects Rosario to announce his choice team before the week ends.
Kamusta mga idol? Three Brothers TV para sa sports news and update. Kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa channel ko, pindutin mo na ang notification bell at subscribe button para lagi kang update sa mga sports news.